Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix something went wrong. Please try again in a few minutes on Cash App. So guys, when you want to do any activity on your Cash App and facing this type of issue, that is something went wrong, I'll help you how can you fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to go back on your home screen, and guys now you need to open your settings first. Click on Wi-Fi, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and now you have to go back and scroll it down. From here you have to click on general, and after this you need to click on VPN and device management. So guys, you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this you have to go back. So guys, after this maybe there is network problem, you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset and you need to reset your network settings. And after this you need to go back, click on language and region and select your region according to your country. And after this you have to go back, and guys now you have to click on date and time. Make sure that you have set your date and time on automatically. And guys after this you need to check for iOS update. If you will find any update here, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys after doing this you have to go back. So guys now you have to open your app store on your iPhone or iPad, and here you need to search Cash App. So guys, after searching here you have to open your Cash App as you can see, and you need to check for update. If your app is not updated, you need to update your app first. And guys after doing update, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem and still facing this issue again and again, no need to worry. You have to open your settings again, click on general and click on iPhone storage here. And after this you need to wait for some seconds. From here you have to find Cash App. After finding it, you have to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again. And guys after this all the problems will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.